Hey guys, spend a day with me today as I try to remake this room and make it habitable by adding a bed and also doing a few things here that you will see, and also doing a few other chores. So in today's video, I'll start by painting. If you have been watching my videos, then you know that I have been painting my whole house, and this is the last room, luckily. So today I had to do like 4 coats on this wall because I had not applied an undercoat, and also because it had never been painted ever since I moved in, and that paint that you see, it's the normal watercolors that landlords put in the houses. So guys, I'm gonna do this painting and also do other chores with you, and I hope that you'll enjoy the video. May God bless you so much. If you are new, please remember to subscribe, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and may God bless you so much.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So this is how the room looks like after I have painted. Unlike my other rooms where I had done ash, this one I did some version of white. I don't know it's called what, but it is not brilliant white. It is just one of those color schemes of white that is really close to white. So I am now going to try to arrange the room. So these pieces of wood, I don't know what I'll use them for, but I know that I'll use them on a DIY project. So I'm going to put them on top of the curtain box because that is the place that makes sense the most. Yeah, on top there. So this place, it actually comes in handy to me because it acts as a storage space. And then as I was painting, I did not layer the boxes, but this is water paint. So I'm gonna scrub the pieces of paint that have been on it, and then with time, as I wash the house, all the pieces will come off. So that is the goodness of the silk vinyl paint. It is good because it always comes off, and by the way, it also doesn't have smell. You can paint the house completely with even the windows closed. It doesn't harm you. The other paint that you use, white spirit, is the one that smells and can harm you because of the white spirit, but this one uses water, like you dilute it with water. So you can see on the duster the particles that have come off. So now I am arranging my washing machines, my sewing machines. I am manifesting a washing machine so much. So I am wiping the sewing machine, and I'll arrange them on this side of the room. So I figured to remove them from the other side and arrange them on this side, and I'll be using an extension if I need to use them.
Protect your soul.
The day I die. Hey, swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down.
So I had like kept these clothes here, but they cannot be used the same way they are. So I was just rearranging this closet so that the person going to use these clothes atazitumia vizuri. Like you see, like right now I have just lumped everything together, and this girl has more jeans than I have had, I think, in my entire life. So yeah, I'm going to just rearrange this closet, and probably you will see how it will be at the end of the video. I had bought these shears from Mtumba, and they are a little bit longer than the curtains I have. So in this part of the video, I'm just gonna resize them and make them the same size so that they don't look awkward on the window. And good thing is that these light shears, if you get good quality, they are very light, but they are very durable, and you can literally use them for years before they wear out completely. So yeah, let's resize them and fix them on the windows.
But you don't remember me like I remember you, like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. I hope you believe that I tried. Do you remember when you said you'd stay, when all of our memories kept us feeling okay? I know that you've been crying again, but time again I tried my best.
So this is how this room now looks like. At this point, the mattress had not come, so I could not spread the bed. But yeah, I actually love how I have arranged it. It looks neat and it now looks habitable. So now next I'm gonna reset my room just for a moment. It's not so very disorganized and it's also not a thorough cleaning. Just a little reset, and then we'll go to the sink and then to the living room. And guys, this is just a little reset. Like for the pillows, I had washed these covers and I'm just returning them. I'll spread the bed, remove the things on the floor, and that's it. We are not thorough cleaning today.
If I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. I've been since I could remember, that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance.
So I cleaned the corner of the tap using the toothbrush and it's very effective. So if you ever visit me, please just leave the toothbrush where you found it. It's not by mistake that it is there. And yeah, this sink also, I think it needs some thorough cleaning because of the water stains. I'll deal with that later, but for today we're just cleaning off the little dirt that is there. And then finally we are going to reset the living room and we'll be done for the day. I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So guys, thank you so much for sticking it out up to this place. I thank you so much. May God bless you. Please remember to like, to share and to subscribe so that my videos get recommended to many more people. And may God bless you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.